So, chapter 17, acids and bases. The differences between the various acid-base concepts are not concerned with which is right, but which is the most convenient to use in a particular situation. This is a particularly good quote because we're going to be talking about 3 different definitions of what is an acid. And it's not that one is right or more right. It really comes down to what is convenient for the situation you're dealing with. So just keep that in the back of your head. So heartburn. You might say, well, this class is giving me heartburn. Heartburn, if you've never experienced it, consider yourself very lucky. It literally feels like your heart is burning. Really what it is it's acid reflux. So it's stomach acid that comes... Yes, you can close that door. Go ahead and close the door. I have no idea what's going on. It's a pocket door. Thank you. So there's hydrochloric acid in your stomach, which is necessary for digestion. But if that starts coming up your esophagus, that tissue is not designed to have HCl on it, and so it causes pain and a burning sensation. And then it can continue and actually come up, when people say, oh, I threw up a little in my mouth. Yeah, that's stomach acid coming up. Not pleasant at all. So your saliva has hydrogen carbonate ions in it, and those act as a base. So repeated swallowing can actually neutralize some of that acid that's coming up. And it's part of the reason I think that you tend to salivate before you vomit, right? Or that happen. Your mouth starts watering and you're like, what's going on here? Mm-hmm. It's a real thing. So that swallowing all the extra saliva then helps to neutralize some of that acid. But of course that's usually not enough. So antacids are a lot more effective. Antacids contain bases, and bases neutralize acids. So Gerd, or just yeah, gastroesophageal reflux disease is the chronic heartburn. And so some people just have this all the time. It can be diagnosed using a pH sensor placed in the esophagus, which is kind of cool. There are a lot of acids and bases that are important to our health and are found in many household products, in many foods, and in medicines. In addition to this, the acid-base chemistry is central to much of biochemistry and molecular biology, because amino acids, as the name suggests, are acids, and those are the building blocks of proteins, and structures like DNA contain bases. So there are acids and bases everywhere.